So this tiny Winnie concertina book is actually a series of Chicago skylines. I was trying to see what I could find on the internet, and this is a Chicago skyline download. Let me show you what it looks like when it's open. So here it is. It's on one of Nicola's old prints that she gave me to recycle. And it's essentially, you don't really notice that it's a skyline. It's just a series of uneven pieces. Some of them I've reversed the way they sit just to make them look cool. And I think I kind of like it. It's got a small city feel to it, which is kind of one of the things I do a lot of. It's just on a concertina spine, just a series of cutouts essentially. I've made a box. Oops, there you go. I made a box for it to sit in. I'm not 100% happy with the box. It's kind of a bit naff. So over time I may replace that, or I may just kind of say it's going to get trashed. Who knows?